Hey guys, today off the supply table you're going to get one worksheet that has a bunch of examples of invaders. You're going to get one of these worksheets as well, and you need to put your name at the top, Mr. Calvert. On the front side of this, so either side, doesn't matter which side you pick, you're going to practice recreating one of these invaders. You'll notice that there are only 8 squares across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 8 going up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you are recreating one of these invaders, you need to choose one that has an 8 next to it. Because any of them that have a number bigger than 8 are obviously not going to fit on your grid. All right, so the first 2 are just going to be practice. So you're trying to recreate one of these invaders so that it looks just like the one on the worksheet. So I might do this one right here. I'm going to try to recreate this guy. So I can see it there is a square, skip a square, square. So I'm going to go square, skip a square, square. Then it looks like I have to skip 1, 2 squares. So 1, 2, and then square, skip a square, square. If you would like to use a crayon to color these in, you may. But if you want to use a pencil, you can do that as well. That is your decision. You'll notice that with these in Space Invaders, that they are actually symmetrical. Once again, where we've really been focusing a lot on symmetry. This is going to lead up to our harder project next time where we use our iPads. When you're done doing one invader, you're going to do a second one. You can't do the same one twice. Once again, if you want to use a pencil, you can. Otherwise, you're welcome to use a crayon. Remember that these will have symmetry to them. Really look at where the squares are on these pictures. I can see there's 1, 2, 3. So I have to go 1, 2, 3 squares in. Alright? You should be able to figure this out on your own. After you have 2 practice ones done, then you can flip it over, and this time you get to create your own invader. It can look like whatever you want it to look like, but it needs to be symmetrical. All right, so that means if I draw a line straight down the middle here, this side of my invader is going to look just like the other side. So maybe I'll go something like this. Alright, so here's one invader that I did myself. I'm going to do one more. When you are done with your worksheet, you've done both sides, you can grab another worksheet and continue to create and experiment with making your own invaders. When you're done, make sure to clean up your stuff.